In a major breakthrough for regional security, a high-stakes joint operation by the Tripura Police and Assam Police and intelligence agencies led to the arrest of a wanted operative of a Bangladeshi terror organization early Tuesday morning. The arrested individual, identified as Jagir Mia, son of Hanif Mia, was apprehended from his residence in the Joypur area under the jurisdiction of the West Agartala Police Station. Acting on precise intelligence inputs, security forces cordoned off the Joypur area at dawn. Jagir Hossain had been on the radar of both Tripura and Assam Police for a considerable time. Investigation revealed that Mia is an active member of Imam Mahmud-e-Kaafila, an extremist sub-organization and ideological offshoot of the notorious Jamul-ul-Mujahideen Bangladesh. Jagir Mia was reportedly absconding following a case registered at the Special Task Force Police Station on December 28, 2025. Case number 06/2025. The legal net around him is extensive, involving several stringent sections of Indian law. Under BNS 2023, charged under section 143, 147, 148, 149, 150, 152 and 113 clause 5, related to unlawful assembly, rioting and threatening national sovereignty. Under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967, facing grave charges under section 10, 13, 16, 38, 39 and 40, which pertain to membership in a terrorist gang, punishment for terrorist acts and raising funds for a terrorist organization. The arrest is being viewed as a significant success for interstate police cooperation. For months, the Assam Police and Central Intelligence Wings had been tracking Mia's movement across the border regions. Authorities believe his interrogations may provide critical leads into the network's activities in northeast India and their cross-border links with JMB modules in Bangladesh. The coordination between Tripura and Assam Police, supported by intelligence units, was flawless. The accused is currently in police custody and is expected to be produced before the court for further remand and interrogation. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.